Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be looking at the option armor set for the Cielnova. And this option armor, I do believe it comes in multiple colors. I have the green one here. This all pulled out of the bag here. Inside our bag, these ones are awesome. This is it. That's the entire option armor set. Oh, let me slide him over. We'll pull that there so it's in frame. All right. So let's take a look at the instruction booklet here. It looks pretty straightforward stuff on how to assemble them. If anybody wants to take a look at that, here's the instructions. And as usual, I will be right back when we get these cut out. Alright, so we got everything cut out. And now we're going to start assembling everything. So we're going to take this here, put these here. It looks like if you wanted to as well, you could maybe separate these so that they're better articulated. I'm not going to, but it looks like it is an option. So then we're going to just take the front part here and push it down on. And that would be our claw. It has a thumb on either side, so you can put it on either side of him. And to do that, all we'll do is we'll take the hand out of the socket and attach his new claw glove. And this thing probably would look really cool if it got painted. On top of our glove, can we put our shield? Oh, kind of fits loosely though. Probably a no-go on that one. So following our instructions then from there, we are told to remove this, and now they say go ahead, pull the faceplate off, but on this guy, if I remember, his faceplate is broken into two different pieces. So what do they want us to do? Just the first piece, so that you're left with this. Okay, and now we'll take this headpiece, pop on, so we're at that now. Our next piece that has to come off is his black chest piece here. We're gonna beef up his armor a little bit more. Right there. He is definitely starting to look a lot more out there than he did before. So for these, looks like we need to take both of these and combine them around this here. So it'd be something like that. And then let's do the same for this one. Okay. Telling us to remove the disc as well. And for that, we're going to remove the disc and we'll add that fin. Oh. Put this on here, just like so. And there we go. The option armor set. One for the Cielnova. Pretty cool looking, honestly. Wish we did get another claw for this hand, but I guess that's so he can still, you know, use a weapon or something. Now you still got leftover pieces that you will have to find something to do with. So, yeah, that was great. And we can still attach different stuff to his back. I do actually have a couple of different options for that. These are from the 30-minute mission. I believe it's called the canister option set. So just simply attach one of these right into his back like that, and bam, now he's got a fuel canister to go with his new armaments. Well, that was a pretty fun little kit. I'll probably pick up another one of these. They're fairly cheap, just for another claw. Maybe even get it in another color. I might also look into some more of the option sets. I think there's 3 or 4 more option sets for this guy, including weapons, and I think there's 2 weapons and 2 armors that he can have. No, there's some leg armor out there. So, yeah, everything's pretty solid too on him. I thought it was kind of felt a little loose, but seems like everything's pretty good, especially for being able to, you know, deattach it, reattach it. Yeah, these kits are very, very good. So far, so good. Oh, push that off. It's on. So that is kind of flimsy. It is on that, and it just kind of presses in there. So gives it good swivel and everything, but bad staying on power. No grip. Oh, there's a peg opening in the palm. You probably put something in there to have him if you wanted to display him holding something. Be a good way to do it. Well, thanks again, guys, for checking out the channel. If you don't mind liking, subscribing, let me know if you like the video. We'll be back again with another 30-minute mission kit very soon. I have a couple more to build still, so love sharing these too. These guys are so cool. I hope more people can watch these videos and get into 30-minute missions. Some of the kits are a little loose, but you know, give Bandai time. They'll get there, just like they did with Gundams. So, yeah, thanks again, guys. I hope you guys all have a great day, and we'll see you guys next time.